Alright everybody, we got a 2001 Mercedes Benz 163 ml320 fusible link. I was changing my battery out and I touched this plate with the ratchet right here. Bad mistake. Then I'm pulling my hair out looking for a fusible link. There's no videos on it. There's nothing in the forum about it. If you cross up the cables or if you ground out your positive. So I finally found my fusible link after checking all the fuse boxes and can't find the reason why my car is not cranking. Well, I finally find it back here on the firewall. This wire right here coming from the battery, it's not coming from the battery, I don't think, but it's going down there connecting on the back of the motor. It's got the fusible links behind the motor back there. So, free game for everybody that need to know about the ml320 fusible link.